Yup.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Red River Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Claiborne Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, western Lincoln Parish, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cullen to 6 miles north of Eastwood to 7 miles southeast of Bossier City, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
It's like these storms
Source,
are...
radar indicated.
Storms are coming in.
Multiple trees and power lines have been down across East Texas and Caddo Parish from these storms.
God damn.
Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Shreveport, Bossier City, Minden, Spring Hill, Grambling, Homer, Houghton, Greenwood, Arcadia, Blanchard, Haynesville, Benton, Stonewall, Ringgold, Sibley, Cullen, Plain Dealing, Cotton Valley, Gippsland, and Sarepta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation.
Oh, crap.
These storms are producing widespread wind damage across East Texas and extreme northwest Louisiana.
God damn.
Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Damn, they're producing...
3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Bossier, Caddo, Claiborne,
They're
DeSoto,
producing
Link.
widespread wind damage. That's not good.
This is going to be my heart race. This will be my night.
The National